Why? Yay. M. It's fame set, baby. Hey. Crazy thing is this. Hey. Why? Why? Okay. Hey. Why? Hey. The crazy thing is this. What's crazy, fame? Listen, I'm about to step in this shit. Listen, I've been mashing down from day one. Niggas left me for dead, son. The diamond in the dirt that ain't been found. I kept mashing and mashing down. Found out my fam all snake. Even my fucking friends' way. Whole lifestyle was fucking fake. One thing that I know wasn't fucking fake. This underworld shit and the shit that I get when I kick the shit, the feeling that I feel just to step in this bitch to show y'all, man, I am the best at what I do. My accolades, my drip too. They don't wanna see him winning, okay? Double back, cause shit ain't working. You mad as a fuck, ancestors is working. Late night shifts just to snap it quick. Told you nobody would get rest, so I get my shit. My lane back and my money is shit. All these butch covers, swear to God, park your shit. Cut your engine off, suck my dick. Cause if you hit the brains, man, the body of shit will fall and come with this bitch. That's why I'm Big Stepper, the bigger drip, zoning out. Each chance I get, blood, sweat, and tears, just as how I got here, bitch. Then I looked up, they tryna steal that shit. Well, listen, still these hot fucking clips. Couldn't walk a day, a mile in my shoes. I've been out here, nigga, surfing too, minding my business, doubling in my fucking chips, just trying to get ahead of the game and shit. To come find out y'all old snake. Hold up, wait, and still trying to come to the plate. Well, I ain't got nothing for you. Fuck you niggas. And if you got problems with my ancestors, my nigga, or fucking bitch that think you know me, don't know me, man, cause you know the old me, but don't know the new me right now. The nigga that's been spitting this shit won't back down for none of you hoe ass niggas. You snakes in the grass, MKO to my nigga. You fucking the coldest niggas can eat my dick. I bet Illuminati mad when he hear that shit. I zone out any chance I get. I come from the mud, rather be out here serving shit than sell my soul. It ain't for sale, bitch. I am fame set from the far rock pit, but it ain't where you from, it's where you at. And right now I'm in Binghamton trying to see more stacks, most better than your favorite artist, facts. Yeah, so when you mention my name, holler back. Fame set for life. I zone out, nigga. I don't need to write. Fame set for life. They fucked up old people in my life. Yo, fame set for life. They see that I'm on to something I now they wanna double back, but I ain't with all that double back shit, Jack. I might forgive you, but from afar, but you won't get back to the star. Yeah, I don't trust you niggas, and I don't trust what my ancestors might do to you niggas. You fuck ass niggas, part my back, the whole frame, my nigga. Told y'all from day one, I'm the shooting star, and my days ain't done, and I ain't want no BB. I started this shit, so I'm reloading, man, and going again. Yeah, fame set to the death of me.